Well, we can take a look on the big screen, ladies and gentlemen, at some JCB waste masters working in composting in Germany right now. Note this composting process uses a unique sheeting system developed with Gore-Tex. This accelerates the composting process, allowing the windrow to breathe, but not allowing any more moisture in. You can also see how the JCB loading shovel helps with the sheeting system, covering the windrow in just a few minutes. Well, back to our composting section, ladies and gents. And finally, the JS145W materials handler is seen rehandling raw green waste and wood waste with the aid of a selector grab and loading them into the container. Okay, they seem to be doing well. Let's move away from there. Showing on the big screen at the moment is an example of the JS200 from last year's Waste Day event, right here in the JCB arena. Fitted with a 5-tine scrap grab, the JS200 easily handles scrap cars and precisely loads the cars into the car baler. Just like this. The operator's visibility is aided by the fixed or hydraulically raised cab, so he can see right into the car baler for better placement of the load. That's the real fantastic feature of the 200W, ladies and gentlemen. That's what wowed everybody at RWM 2006 and 2007. The car baler can be remotely controlled by the scrap handler operator, therefore the whole process is a one-man operation. And we see our operator Polly there showboating. Okay, let's move on to our next application, a civic amenity site. Well, I guess a great number of you here and also yesterday were probably from a local authority or maybe operate a CA site on behalf of one. Now, you don't need me to tell you that you're dealing with various forms of incoming waste streams and you need to maximize the loads into the bins and containers. Well, take a good look at this. Look at versatility here. Within seconds, the JS200W has changed jobs from handling scrap cars and with the aid of the 5-tine grab is now loading green waste into the container. Seen here with a scrap rig and 5-tine grab, the 200W can also be fitted with an alternative materials handling dipper and selector grab combination for pre-sorting incoming waste. Superb vision from the operator there in the hydraulically raised cab, making a difficult job look relatively simple, ladies and gentlemen. For a typical CA site, the machine doesn't have to be as large as the 200W. Could be one of the smaller material handlers, such as the 145W. Having loaded the material into the bin, then what you want is maximum loads to reduce your bin and truck movements. Here's where the 145W fitted with a compaction wheel comes into play. Depending on the type of material, compaction rates of up to 4 times can be achieved using this particular attachment. That'll save you money in less bins, less movements, less trucks, less fuel, and possibly less drivers. And remember, a quick hitch will allow a quick change from the selector grab to the compaction wheel. So you can use the same machine on the same site if you wish, and the unit can be fitted with a high-rise cab if required. Well, everywhere you look in the arena this afternoon, there seems to be something going on, ladies and gentlemen. Solutions for your rehandling requirements, whatever field of the waste and recycling business that you may be in. Well, I can tell you, ladies and gents, today has been an absolute pleasure for us to demonstrate this fabulous range of machines. I certainly hope you've enjoyed the demonstration. And I'd like to thank all of our suppliers. Without them, we couldn't do this. But most of all, we'd like to thank you, for investing your time here at the JCB Arena. And on behalf of JCB, I give you now, ladies and gentlemen, the JCB Wastemaster Range.